Today we're cooking banana wraps at Tea Garden in Maysut. First you need to crack the coconut.
Wow. Every vegetable, or carrot and a papaya and a mango, everything.
Yeah.
This is just coconut.
Mm.
You see, this is like a Leo cover.
Yeah.
We cannot find it like this one. We use Leo cover. We do that.
Leo cover. Oh, okay,
Cover,
okay,
right?
okay.
Same thing.
So like a bottle
Bottle
of
cover.
beer, yeah.
You can use wheat flour or rice flour. Add water. Add sugar. Add a pinch of salt. And baking soda. Then you mix it all together, and it's best to use your
I
hands.
always wanted to do that. Squeeze bananas.
That has to be ripe bananas, right?
If you're using fresh banana leaves, you need to soften them before use.
You see also the color also change. And then smell also very nice.
Be careful not to burn your fingers.
No, you do not like it. Not do that like it.
No, so it burns.
Add a little oil to the inside of the wrap. Now it's time to wrap the mixture in the banana leaves. Use 2 tablespoons of the mixture for each wrap. There are many different ways to make the wrap, but this one is the easiest and the most basic one. Use a toothpick to close the wrapping.
More paper.
The side with the toothpick should be facing down when steaming. And this is a fancy way to fold the banana leaf. You can also use corn leaves instead of banana leaves. Steam the banana wraps for 15 minutes.
comes
And
after
now they're
the
ready
morning,
to
how are
eat.
you? Okay, but
Yeah.
the first thing you say, can I see your espresso
Yeah.
machine?
It's like